Can you guys see this? Oh my god. Like, this is a magical slime. Like, oh my god. हे फैंटास्टिक्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? मैं बहुत 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 अच्छी हूँ गाइस। एंड as you guys can see, this is a Diwali season and we are going to make some Diwali themed slimes. So like a lot of you has been commenting in my previous slime videos that you want a metallic slime and a clear slime that you guys can make for the festive season. So here I am for some festive Diwali slimes and this is going to be so pretty. You guys will literally love it so much. I love it so much. And today I'm going to share the slime recipe with all of you guys. So if you guys want more these kinds of videos, then make sure to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. Make sure to hit that bell icon. And yeah, that's all that you guys have to do for seeing some amazing slime recipes. So now, without talking too much, let's get started. So fantastic. So now to make our slime, let's take a slime bowl. So now we are going to add some clear glue into our bowl. So the clear glue that I'm using is this one and all of the ingredients are listed. And now let's add some glue. About that much. So the next ingredient will be a little bit of water. We want our slime to be a little bit, jiggly-ish sort of, but this glue is like extremely thick, so it's going to be amazing either way. So just mix some water and make sure it is completely dissolved or completely combined into the glue like this. So now as you guys can see, our glue's consistency is a little bit more flexible, and now we will add our, the metallic part that is going to give our slime a very nice glow and glitter. So I'm going to use the back of the spoon to scoop out some of this amazing glitterish paint. Like, this has metallic finish to it and it's like super nice. So yeah, let's do that. It's gold and chrome, everything in one. We'll add more if we want, but now as you guys can see, everything is mixed together. Can you guys see how magical this looks? I think I didn't on the camera and I've mixed the color, but you guys, this was so pretty to mix. I'm really sorry, but yeah, that happened apparently. And yeah, so this is a literal amazing shade. Like, the slime looks extremely magical right now. I don't know you guys can see that. Let me on the flash. Can you guys see that? Oh my god, like, this is absolutely gorgeous. This slime looks so pretty. This paint is literally called as pearl metallic colors. So like, they have the best of every world. Like, can you guys see that? Oh my god, I'm obsessed. Wow. It literally looks like honey as well. Like, that's weird, but anyways. And I think this gold is a bit, less visible to you guys. So I'm going to add another amazing color, which is this one, pearl metallic rust, in this shade. So it will be more visible to you guys. So yeah, just let me add a little bit of this. This will improve the overall color of the slime. So I'm just going to add a little bit of this. This will give our slime a very nice touch. So now we'll mix this color into our slime. So as you guys can see, our slime has literally changed its color. Like, it's now a very rich golden color and it just looks so pretty. I hope you guys can see this color. Like, oh god, this is such a pretty slime. So here is our activator bowl, and in this bowl now we'll take a little bit of water. So about that much, and in that we'll take a little bit of baking soda. So this is about 15 to 20 ml of water, and in that we are taking 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and we are just going to mix it nicely and dissolve it. If you take hot water it will be nice, but then the slime will be hard to activate since the activator is hot. So now we are just going to dissolve it. And after dissolving the baking soda, the next step is to get a lens solution, or you guys can get ear and eye drops, anything, or just drop like 15 to 20 drops of lens solution, or you guys can add more depending on how much of a concentrated activator you want. So this is a very simple basic activator recipe. You need to have baking soda. Do not forget to add baking soda, because that is what makes the boric acid a borax activator. So now we just made an activator here, and this is what we are going to add in our slime. So make sure to mix it completely before adding. And now let's go to the activation process. So now that we have seen how to make the activator, we'll start by activating our slime very slowly. We'll just take small amounts of our activator at a time and just pour it like this, and we'll just quickly start activating our slime like this. You guys can see just a little bit of activator goes a long way. Everything is just coming together. So as you guys can see, this is weirdly bubbling up. I don't know what is happening, what chemical reaction is this, but I've been mixing for like 10 minutes now, and it's just too much work. Oh my god, you guys. And it's still just forming more and more bubbles. So I'll just keep on mixing it, and I'll let you know how long does it take to, completely activate a slime. But god, it has so much air in it. You need to literally deflate this slime, like, oh god. So as you guys can see, the slime is pretty stretchy now. Like, oh my god, all that knots are literally gone. So now we'll just keep it in the bowl and we'll just let it sit and make sure that it clears up. And make sure you guys, cover the bowl with something, or cling wrap or something, because we don't want our slime to harden up. So yeah, can you guys see how pretty that looks? Oh my god. So yeah, now I'll just let my slime have a little bit of rest and get cleared up, and I'll show you guys when it's completely clear. So yeah, so fantastic. As you guys can see, our slime is basically cleared up, and as you guys can see, it literally looks so pretty. I just cling wrapped it, and can you guys see that? Oh my god, the pigment's already showing through the cling wrap. Like, oh my god, can you guys see that? Can you guys see the pigment? Oh my god, it's so pretty. Can you guys see that? All the pigment. Can you guys see this? Oh my god. Like, this is a magical slime. Like, oh my god. Can you guys see that? Oh my god. This is such a nice slime. This literally made the prettiest swirls. Oh my god, you guys. Let me zoom you guys in a little bit. It has the best pokes. The pigment is literally the best. Like, can you guys see how nice this looks? It's literally so thick and so pretty. I can literally play with it the whole day, you guys. Oh god. So make sure to give this video a like, and please subscribe and join our fantastic fam. And yeah guys, that's all. Thank you so much for watching, and please give any further suggestions in the comment section down below, and I'll soon see you guys with another amazing video. Until then, bye bye.